Yeah, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing of this. So let's see what's inside it. So finally the box is opened and I see there are some few stuffs. This is the Qiyi M1 lube and cube stands, and this is the GAN standard lube 10 ml, and then there are two cubes, and these are basically the puppet cubes. This is the puppet V2, this is the puppet V1. So now let's straight away unbox them. First let's have a look on our lubes. So this is our lube, and it's taking a bit hard to open it. Wait a minute. Now this was. So now it's opening. This is the lube. It looks rather small, but I guess it will be too much inside it, and we'll make a separate video trying these lubes and reviewing them. And same for this, I'll make a separate one. Wait, this is already lubed. Let's go on to our cubes now. First, the puppet V1. This looks like a big 2x2, but there are a few changes of it. It's a shape mod, and there's a defect too. This piece came out, so I'm rather unhappy with the packaging because look at the quality. But where will this go? Maybe some internal piece. Let me see. Yeah, it will go there. So just try to put it there, and wait a minute. Let's put it like this. With the help of my screwdriver, I'll just push it down, and yeah, it's gone there. Let's see, but I don't want to scramble it now because it looks very scary. And see internal pieces coming out like this, and it looks like very hard to solve. See, so I'm not gonna scramble it now. We'll try to make a separate video soon. So now let's move on to our next puppet V2. This looks more harder than the previous one. Come on, open. This is also similar with few more pieces. I guess the pieces are loose enough. Wait, I guess they are not loose. Oh yeah, this makes the puzzle interesting. There are many of the internal pieces here which we have to solve. This is rather less smooth than this previous one, but this is even more challenging. See, and this looks very scary. This one would be more easier, but still this is tough. So I'll make separate videos for this and for this too. I'll attempt to solve them. So this was all today video about. Wait. I got some tricks. See, like this. I can do it like this. Yeah. And yeah, so this way I'll be experimenting and observing, and I'll try to solve it in maybe most probably my next video. So be tuned. Goodbye, take care.